welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this laptop bag. Ooh, this alligator skin. So nice. Oh, it feels nice and soft as well. I like that. And this color is perfect for any outfit. Comes with the straps. Nice. Let's see what's on the inside though. That's what's important. So there are a few compartments. This is for the laptop as labeled over here. Unzip that, and it's padded. As you see, this is a thicker layer. Then there's like another layer over here. And then the actual bag compartment itself, which is really, there's quite a lot of space in there. Then there is one that is zippered all the way across here. And then there are straps that comes with that you can make it longer, or crossbody bag. And then on this side, another zipper here. That hits about here. And then these pockets as well, 2 of them. And then 2 pockets for pens. And then this whole thing zips closed for the perfect laptop bag. So for more product reviews like this, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this bag. If you do want to purchase it, it's in the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.